Here's what happens when your phone battery is dying.
No way.
Yo guys, we got a code red. The phone is at 2%. This is not a drill.
It's dropping fast, boss. 1% is knocking on the door, no cap. The screen is dimming. I can barely see the memes.
We are losing visual. Alex, move your lazy meat sack. We need the charger. Legs deploy.
Nah, broski. We did cardio yesterday. We walked to the fridge and back. We are closed for business.
I don't care if you're sore. If that phone dies, we have to sit in silence. Do you want to sit in silence with me?
Fine. But you owe us 300 calories of pizza later.
Where's the cable? I had it right here.
He can't find the cable. The stress is too low. We need speed. Open the hatch. Adrenaline. Get in here.
Whoa! Did someone say panic? Let's go, baby! To infinity and beyond!
Oh no, not this guy. Brain, please, I'm already doing 120 BPM just sitting on the couch. Did someone order crippling anxiety?
Yo, Cortisol, not now. We need focus, not dread.
I'm just here to remind you that if the phone dies, you'll have to think about your future.
Shut up! Eyes, scan the room!
Target acquired. The charger is behind the dusty couch.
Alex, dive for it, you fool!
Yo, Brain, all this movement, I'm gonna throw up.
Hold it in, stomach!
Nah, my contract says digest food, not perform acrobatics. I'm ejecting the lunch.
Don't you dare! Alex, plug it in!
It doesn't fit.
Boss, that's the wrong cable. Wrong species. We are at 0%. The pixels are fading.
Please, boss, I need the likes. I feel cold. I'm fading away. We dead? Worse. The phone died. Alex, we are basically screwed. Sorry, bro. There are no options. You have to talk to your friends.
So guys, what's up? How's life?
What?
What?
Yo, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before your battery dies.